Alright, so let's try this one again. As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun in the washing machine until it's just damp. The shirt's already been turned inside out, and I'm going to go ahead and put 3 dots on here for where the spirals need to be. There's one. I think the last time this was a large, and I'm pretty sure this is a XL. Yeah, it's an extra large this time. So I think I'm going to go, let's go right here. I think I'm going to go 12 inches this time, just because it's a larger shirt. I'm basically moving this around until it's roughly an equilateral triangle, and this isn't down to the millimeter. That's 12. That's pretty close to 12, and basically 12. So anyway, pretty good there. So I'm going to go ahead and do spirals of these, and do complete spirals instead of a scrunch on the outside. So let's go ahead and do that. So like last time, if there's anything that's a little too large as far as the fold goes, I'm going to go ahead and turn it into multiple. Alright, I'm going to put one of these bands right here. As you can see, that was quite a bit more work than scrunching it. Do that right there for now. Slip that under there. And then get one around the circumference. Right, and take a look on this side. So, going to mark, I probably should have marked which one was the top, but let's see what we can do. As before, I create a triangle between the centers of each of these. Oh, looks like that one was a little low. There we go. And I didn't like the results the last time as far as, well, I went over that in the last one. So let's see what I can do different. Let me grab a different color pen and hope that it actually writes. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and section these off like I was doing. It's going to be basically the same as the last time. Finish sectioning these off. And only go down about like that. Oops, let's pull that in a little more. So this will be one color, this will be one color, and then each of these will be one color. And the rest of this will remain white, not in reality because it's going to bleed over, but there'll be no dye physically added to these sections here. So I think that's what I'm going to try this time. So, off to dye. Alright, what I'm going to use for this, cerulean blue, turquoise, the Cayman Isle green, and brilliant blue. And these are all from Dharma. I know I said I was going to use 3 colors, and I am going to use 3 colors. The turquoise and the brilliant blue are going to be applied together into the center triangle. I want the turquoise color, but turquoise isn't going to split because it's a primary Procyon color. So you have to do something to force a split. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. Alright, we'll let that melt through. I don't know if we're going to do anything on the back side. Going to see what it looks like when it melts through and go from there. Alright, it's been over 24 hours. Let's wash this out. Alright, let's take a look. So I'll throw this in the wash and then we'll take a final look. And here's the finished result. Much better than the last one. This one doesn't have quite the definition in the curl, but I'm good with it. So the green went in exactly where I wanted it to. And then most of this stayed white on the outer edges, not nearly as much as the white space, but you expect expansion when the ice melts. So I think it looks pretty good. Here's the back side. Now, while this video says this is number 2, this is not number 2. I actually started with 5 in an attempt to do that, and that was like way over the top and it just didn't work out, although I might do more than that, try it again or something. Then I tried 4 and it didn't look good. It just looked really odd. Then I went to the 2. The first one I didn't like, even though it actually worked. The second one I didn't like, but made a video of it, or used the video of it, because each one of these that I've done, you know, there's some videos involved that just get tossed. And then we were down to this one. So this is what, like number 6, 7, 8, somewhere in there. Because each, like the version with 5 was multiple, the version with 4 was multiple. So here we are. That was a lot of rambling to say, yes, this is what it's supposed to look like. So, happy with this. Just going with happy with this. That's really all I have to say about this one. Let me know what you think, and until next time, thanks for watching.